Konnichiwa minasan, Nihongo no gakusei desu. Our lesson for today is the Japanese adjectives and how they modify nouns. In English, if we want to describe something like these nouns, dog, house, city, movie, we add, of course, the adjectives. Cute dog, big house, busy city, interesting movie. Inu, ie, toshi, ega. Kawaii inu. Ookii na ie. Nigiyaka na toshi. Omoshiroi ega. Cute dog, big house, busy city, interesting movie. Now, as you can see here, the I adjectives, if they are modifying nouns, the hiragana I is retained. For the na adjective, the hiragana na is retained also when modifying nouns. So here we have kawaii inu, cute dog. Ookii na ie, big house. Nigiyaka na toshi, busy city. Omoshiroi ega, interesting movies. Let's start with cute dog, inu. Kawaii inu. To say it is a cute dog, we add des. Kawaii inu desu. Kawaii inu desu. See here, the I is retained, okay, when modifying a noun. What about when we want to say it is not a cute dog? We just conjugate the noun dog to say kawaii inu janai desu. Kawaii inu janai desu, or ja arimasen. Ja arimasen. Kawaii inu ja arimasen, for more polite form. It is not a cute dog. Okay? Kawaii inu janai desu. Kawaii inu ja arimasen. Or if we want to say past tense, it was a cute dog. Okay? So we say deshita. Kawaii inu deshita. Kawaii inu deshita. It was a cute dog. Now, if we want to say it was not, past negative, it wasn't a cute dog, we say janakatta desu and ja arimasen deshita. We move this. Kawaii inu janakatta desu. Kawaii inu ja arimasen deshita. It was not a cute dog. Next example, big house, ie. This is how we write ie. Okay. Ookii na ie. Ookii na ie. To say it is a big house, we say ookii na ie desu. Ookii na ie desu. Here, because ookii is an na adjective, again, we add the na before the noun. Ookii na ie. Now what if we want to say it is not a big house? We say ookii na ie janai desu. Ookii na ie janai desu. Or ookii na ie ja arimasen. Ja arimasen is much more polite. Ookii na ie ja arimasen. It's not a big house. Now, what if we want to say it was a big house? Ookii na ie deshita. Ookii na ie deshita. Okay? To say it was not, past negative, it was not a big house, say, janakatta desu, ja arimasen deshita. Ookii na ie janakatta desu. It was not a big house. Ookii na ie ja arimasen deshita. Okay. Next example, city, toshi. Toshi. This is how we write it. Okay. Ano nigiyaka na toshi ni 6 kan taizai shimasu. I will stay in that busy city for 6 days. Ano nigiyaka na toshi ni 6 kan taizai shimasu. Here again, na is attached to nigiyaka before the noun. Next example, omoshiroi eiga. This is how we write it. The kanji. Okay. Kino wa omoshiroi eiga o mita. We watched an interesting movie yesterday. Kino wa omoshiroi eiga o mita. Now, to say we watched an uninteresting movie, say not interesting. We can say Kino wa omoshiroku nai eiga o mita. Kino wa omoshiroku nai eiga mita. Okay. So here, omoshiroi becomes omoshirokunai, not interesting. And we added the noun after it. So, omoshirokunai eiga. Omoshirokunai eiga o mita. But, of course, we can use the antonym of interesting, which is boring. So we say instead of omoshirokunai, we say tsumaranai eiga. Kino wa tsumaranai eiga o mita. So tsumaranai means boring. Kino wa tsumaranai eiga o mita. Boring movie. Tsumaranai. Tsumaranai. So there are exceptions to the rule. Of course, it is not absolute. For example, here we have okotta otoko. Okotta otoko. This phrase means angry man. Angry man. Okotta otoko. As you can see here, this is in the ta form. It does not end with i or na. It does not fall under the rule of ni adjective or I adjective. It is a set of different rules. So here, okotta otoko means angry man. Okay? So it is a verb treated as adjective. Okotta otoko. Okotta otoko ga watashi tachi ni mukatte sakenda. An angry man shouted at us. Okotta otoko ga watashi tachi ni mukatte sakenda. Next we have futotta inu. Futotta inu. This is fat dog. Futotta inu. Okay. Again, this does not end with I or na. For example, we have koko ni futotta inu ga eru. Koko ni futotta inu ga eru. I have a fat dog here. Koko ni futotta inu ga eru. Another example. Tsukareta rodosha. Tired worker. Tsukareta rodosha. Okay. Tsukareta rodosha. Tsukareta rodosha wa shibaraku yasunda. The tired worker rested for a while. Tsukareta rodosha wa shibaraku yasunda. Okay, so we're going to have an exercise. We're going to describe the noun, of course, using the I and na adjective only. For example, we have expensive watch. Takai toke desu ne. Takai toke desu ne. It is an expensive watch. Okay, so these are the pictures you are going to describe. It is a hotel, a person, a town, and a homework. A hotel, a person, a town, and a homework. You can pause the videos and try to formulate a phrase using the adjective and the nouns. Okay. Here we have a hotel, so it is a hoteru, but it is an old hotel, so we say furui hoteru desu ne. Furui hoteru desu ne. It's an old hotel. Furui hoteru desu ne. What about this one? This is a busy person. So how do we say busy person? We say isogashii hito desu ne. Isogashii hito desu ne. She is a busy person. She, because we know who we are talking about, and it is she. Okay, I did not need to include kanojo wa because it is already known and certain that we are talking about she. So the translation is she. She is busy. She is a busy person. Isogashii hito desu ne. Isogashii hito desu ne. For this one we have nigiyaka na machi desu ne. Nigiyaka na machi desu ne. It's a busy town. Nigiyaka na machi desu ne. And lastly, we have a homework, a difficult homework. So how do we translate it to a difficult homework? Okay? So we say, muzukashii shikudai desu ne. Muzukashii shikudai desu ne. It's a difficult homework. Muzukashii shikudai desu ne. Okay, I wanna thank you all for watching. If you have some questions or comments, please comment down below. And if you find my videos and my channel useful, please like my videos and subscribe to my channel. I will be posting more videos of the Japanese grammar and the Japanese vocabulary in the near future. Mite korete, arigato. Mata aimashou.